How to add payment method in Canva. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to add a payment method using or through your Canva account so that you will be able to make your payments for your Canva Pro plan. So first to begin with, what you need to do is that you can go to your account for Canva on your browser. Just go to canva.com and log in into your account. And for you to be able to add a payment method, you just need to go into your profile that's on the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, just click on account settings. Once you click on it, you will be redirected into another page where you will be able to modify the account, and just go in the left side panel and go to billings and plans. And here under billings and plan, you will be able to change or add a payment method. Since I currently already have a payment method here, when I click on change payment method, this is the same as how it may appear if you will add a payment method for your Canva account. So you can either make a payment with your debit or credit card or through PayPal. And that's how you do it. That's how you will be able to modify or add a payment method on your Canva account. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.